Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great start to their Wednesday. We have a very active pattern that's going to be developing across Southern California, starting as early as Thursday afternoon and extending all the way through Mother's Day weekend. So this looks pretty impressive. There's a storm brewing out in the Central Pacific right now. There's a low pressure that's developing right now in pretty much Utah and Idaho. It's going to drop down and retrograde back over into Southern California. So that's going to be quite interesting to see what happens. Kim, how are you doing? Gilbert, how are you doing? Hope everyone's doing well. So I'm going to show you right now what's happening in the atmospheric perspective and then also the models as well. So here we go. So as you can see here, you're looking at a very well-defined low pressure system that is just right off Southern California. David, how are you doing? And then you're seeing another disturbance that's developing in Utah, okay? This disturbance up here is going to bring unusual rainfall to Southern California and combine and pull this storm that came from the Hawaiian Islands, which is now calm and clear, right into Southern California. So you have two storms merging into one at the same time. Alexis, how are you doing this afternoon? Hope you're doing well. So this is going to be Steve. How are you doing as well? Thank you for joining. So you can see this. I'm going to kind of fast forward and kind of show you the intensity of this low and how it's having a lot of thunderstorms developing with it. And then if you look over more to the east, this is where the last low that moved through on Monday caused severe weather in Amarillo, Texas, and then a piece of that energy is now up here. It's going to drop down. Now I want to take you to the models, okay? We're going to go right to the models now. And I'm going to show you, this was the one on Monday, and now we're getting ready for the secondary storm to come in. And that one's a big low pressure that's going to be coming into play. And that one could bring some more beneficial rainfall to the area. We're already seeing a lot occurring, and it's just continuing. I want to actually take a more of a bigger view of this to show you what's going on. So you could see here that was Monday's storm. Okay, we're going to actually look at this model right here, and you can see there it is. Pay attention to this, guys. There it is over Utah and Nevada, and it's going to drop down right off of Southern California. I have not seen that in a while, where you have an inside slider literally going right off the coast of Point Conception. It's incredible. So this could be quite interesting to see how this really pans out. Then you have, believe it or not, another storm system comes in right in the heels next week. Right, and this is almost like a winter pattern. You would normally see this type of situation usually in February and early March. And look at, there's no high pressure in sight, which is unusual. Really is. And then maybe towards the end, still no high pressure by May 21st, nothing. And then maybe more unsettled. And finally, maybe something by the end of that. Let's actually, oh, the newest run just came out, so let's look at that as well. So there it is, drops off. Actually, this is even stronger now. And this low pressure is going to stick around for a while. And then you have this big low pressure system that's going to drop on in. But this one's showing it's going to be more of an inside slider. So there's a couple solutions that are showing a couple of different things for next week. But let's focus on this week. So there you have it. We're going to have some unusual weather that's coming up. It is May, so this is definitely not the norm. And NOAA is already showing pretty much above average rainfall for the southwestern U.S. entirety. So we're going to see what happens with that. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day, and I'll be talking to you guys real soon. All right, bye-bye.